Camping fans or portable fans are the new tools for beating the heat of summer. If you are interested in purchasing one, there are a number of considerations you need to take into account. The most important considerations for camping fans include longevity and reach. The longevity of the battery and the distance the breeze can reach are two key factors for staying cool under the scorching heat. Additionally, weight is also important to ensure it fits in carry bags and doesn't add a lot of undesirable load. Finally, consider the price, power supply, and extra features. With numerous options available, from handheld minis to dedicated tent ceiling fans, finding the right one for your needs is crucial. To help you choose, in this guide, we have compiled the list of the best camping fans available today with these considerations in mind. Here are our top recommendations. Let's explore. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Honeywell Turbo on the go. Honeywell's camping fan is an excellent choice for those looking for a compact and affordable option. It's easy to adjust and has a stable base, making it ideal for placement on a camping table or any other surface. The fan boasts a maximum battery life of 7 hours, powered by 4 AA batteries, and a maximum reach of 2 feet. It is affordably priced, easy to adjust, and stable on various surfaces. However, its reach is limited to 2 feet, which may be a consideration depending on your setup. If you're looking for a camping fan to place right in front of you on a picnic table, then this petite option from Honeywell is a great fit. Despite its limited reach, it's easy to adjust, and its stable base ensures it won't get knocked over easily. The 4 AA batteries last a surprisingly long time, approximately 7 hours. It also offers the option to plug into a USB-A outlet for continuous power. In conclusion, the Honeywell Turbo on the go is perfect for those seeking a small, affordable fan that is easy to adjust and stable on various surfaces. Its 7-hour battery life and compact size make it an excellent choice for personal cooling needs during outdoor activities. Number 4. Odoland Portable Fan. The Odoland Camping Fan is an excellent choice for those looking to stay cool in their tents, offering convenience and functionality. Key features of the Odoland Portable Fan include a remarkable battery life of 13 hours, powered by 2D batteries, and a maximum reach of 5 feet. Additionally, it includes a light, making it a multi-purpose option suitable for reading and staying cool in various settings. Some of the pros of the Odoland Portable Fan include its long battery life, which ensures extended use before needing replacement, and its dual functionality with a built-in light. This makes it ideal for campers who need both cooling and illumination during their outdoor adventures. However, potential buyers should note its reliance on less common D batteries. If you're looking for a fan to keep cool at night, this low-priced option from Odoland is a great choice. It combines a light and fan into one, making it a versatile option for camping. The only drawback is that you'll need to stock up on D batteries to ensure it will run past the first night. In conclusion, the Odoland Portable Fan is perfect for campers looking for a versatile fan with a built-in light that can be hung from a tent ceiling. Its long battery life and clip-on design make it an excellent choice for staying cool and illuminated during nighttime camping activities. Number 3. Shark Flexbreeze. The Shark Flexbreeze camping fan is an ideal choice for those needing a high-quality fan with exceptional reach, suitable for larger spaces like off-grid cabins or generously sized van setups. Key features include a maximum battery life of 2 hours, rechargeable viaduct-provided cord, and an impressive maximum reach of 15 feet. It also features oscillation and comes with an optional stand. Pros include its oscillating feature and the longest reach in the list, providing a noticeable breeze from 15 feet away. However, it has a short battery life and is relatively pricey. If you're looking to enhance your off-grid cabin or van life setup with a high-quality camping fan, the Shark Flexbreeze is worth considering. It's the only fan on the list that oscillates, helping to keep bugs and heat at bay over a wider area. Besides the higher price tag, note that the battery will only last a couple of hours on high. It's recommended to position this fan where it can be plugged in most of the time to maximize its effectiveness. In conclusion, the Shark Flexbreeze is perfect for campers seeking a fan with exceptional reach and oscillating function. Its rechargeable design and optional stand make it suitable for larger spaces, providing a noticeable breeze even from a distance of 15 feet. Number 2. Wavmill 12,000 mAh Camping Fan. The Wavmill Camping Fan is a reliable choice for those prioritizing long battery life and affordability. Key features include a maximum battery life of 11 hours, rechargeable viaduct USB-C, and a maximum reach of 4 feet. Some of the pros of the Wavmill Camping Fan include its long-lasting battery, which provides up to 11 hours of use on a single charge, and its affordable price point. These features make it a practical choice for campers looking to stay cool without breaking the bank. However, one potential downside is its unappealing aesthetic, which may not be as visually pleasing as some other options on the market. The Wavmill Camping Fan offers one of the longest-lasting batteries among those on this list, capable of powering smaller electronic devices as a power bank. However, with a reach of only 4 feet, it may struggle to effectively cool larger spaces or keep bugs away from those seated at the ends of picnic tables. If you prioritize battery life and affordability over reach, the Wavmill 12,000 mAh Camping Fan is a solid choice. For larger spaces, consider other models like Ryobi, Geek Air, or Shark. In conclusion, the Wavmill 12,000 mAh Camping Fan is perfect for campers seeking a reliable, long-lasting fan with the ability to charge electronic devices. Its USB-C rechargeable design and affordability make it a practical choice for outdoor use. Number 1. Tunise Camping Fan. The Tunise Camping Fan is an excellent choice for those looking for a small, lightweight fan with impressive battery life. Key features include a maximum battery life of 4 hours, rechargeable viaduct USB-C, and a maximum reach of 3.5 feet. Major pros include its onboard display showing battery life, lightweight and adjustable design, and the ability to convert into a neck fan with a lanyard. However, it has limited reach and is not stable when standing upright. If you're looking for a small fan to toss into your tote on the way to the beach, the Tunise Camping Fan is a great option. It's the lightest camping fan maximum, yet still offers an impressive 4-hour battery life. Most reviewers appreciated its useful features, including a digital display showing remaining battery life and a lanyard that converts it into a neck fan, although this feature didn't work as well as expected in practice. Given the length of the lanyard, the neck fan function may work better for individuals with a flat chest than those with any sort of curve. Additionally, while it can be propped upright on a table or desk, its slender base profile makes it less stable compared to designs with a wider bottom. In conclusion, the Tunise Camping Fan is perfect for campers seeking a lightweight, portable fan with useful features like a digital display and the option to convert into a neck fan. Its USB-C rechargeable design and compact size make it an ideal companion for outdoor activities. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.